Here is Faduma Noor from the village Balbalay in the district of Afgoy, some 30 kilometers northwest of the capital, Mogadishu. The livelihood of the people in Balbalay is farming. However, as a result of decades of conflict, people in Afgoy lack the knowledge and technologies to optimize their agricultural productivity. Faduma, along with 200 other farmers, was trained to apply the new technological way of farming. The results were phenomenal. Maize produced by these farmers is now 4 to 5 tons per hectare, whereas in the past, they produced only 1 ton per hectare. Now each farmer's plot acts as a demo field for another 20 farmers. This helps to demonstrate and showcase the best production practices and technical expertise brought by SATG, where farmers can easily produce 4 to 5 times more than previously produced in the district of Afgoy. The new farming technology has now reached 4,000 farm households. Estimated total reach is 24,000 beneficiaries. This project was meant to enhance food security, create jobs, and implement skills training.